try a little passenger from there. We'll go up this side. Okay, whoa. No, just like you are. Yes, just like you are. Forward, come on, go driver, driver. Okay, it went for you. Charlie, you might want to pause this for a minute. Need to be anyway. Stop right there. Stop. Hard passenger. Understand? Perfect. Come right up this, hook that tree. Should drive right up it. There you go.
Nice.
You got plenty of room. You got plenty. Come on, Oswald. Come on down. Slow, slow. No, no. There you go. Easy. Woo! There you
Nice.
go. Straighten it out as you come forward. You're on a stump, but you're good. There you go. Right through here. Right on, straight on. You gotta climb this tree and hug this side. If you can climb both, awesome. Straighten her up. Yes, just like that. Perfect. Right on through, just like that. Yeah, exactly. Come on. Passenger. Driver. Stay hard, driver, as hard as you can. Come on through. Now straight. That's all right. I killed it 50 times, man. Straighten it out. You want your driver's wheel here. You need to straighten out some. You're in a hole. There you go. You got it. Oh, you're about ready to come through. Up. Damn. Damn. Arg. Same damn thing every time. Oh. All right, you missed some of the winching. There was high lift jack usage and winching and dogs in mud and a destroyed quarter panel. Things aren't going exactly as planned. Well, he's starting to get it on his own now. Hang on, I'm gonna move. Oswald, of course, getting in every freaking nasty, stinking ass mud puddle he can find. He's real happy. He's having a good time today. Oh yeah. Oh. Gee. Look at that come on through by itself. Straighten her out. Hug the rock. No, that way. Yeah, there you go. Oswald, get out the way. All right. Now you, beautiful. 3-wheel drive, man. It's all you. You're hung up on your back bumper. Charlie, can you rock him, get him off that back bumper? There you go. Trail gear Longfield. So hopefully we can get it warranted. Which way is he going? Take the low way because of broken part. We're gonna bring him down this way and up and over the end because, like I said, he's broke, but that's all right. He's made it most of the way through on his own power and 3-wheel drive. Perfect. Keep going. Perfect. Perfect. Whoop. I'm not looking. Keep now, driver. Driver. There you go. Point towards that rock. Keep going. Oh.
He said he was tired of it being red, so he painted it.
Come on up. Now start coming passenger hard. And stop right there for a minute.
So when you back up...
All right, so he got to this point and we found it was a lockout that broke every stud and sheared the freaking guide pins off too. And there's that greasable dirty 30 in there, you can see it. I think there might be a gear we need to get off there that we don't lose. All right, we're gonna see if we can't find a drive flange maybe and get that back working since it isn't a broken berth. Okay. Now, driver reverse. Right there. Now, hard passenger. See if it'll climb up instead of slide over. Oh, darn, it just slid over. Now try to come passenger. Getting Dylan out of the lion's den in 3-wheel drive, take 26. No, I'm just kidding, but we keep getting hung up because we need that 4-wheel drive. Lion's den ain't no game, man. Even a day out recovering is freaking awesome.
Try that.
Oh yeah. Oh! Yeah, keep doing that. Oh yeah, right there. Hey, stop right there and let us figure this out with the winch. Winch, get your winch. Winch and driver, there you go. It's gotta go. What the fuzzy? Sliding on your diff. There you go. Straight or driver. There you go.
Right there.
Straighten her up. Right there. Perfect. Yep, keep coming. Nope, don't have to. Just like that. Come on. Easy, easy. Easy, easy.
Go ahead.
You ain't gonna need much. Winch in. Easy. Start coming, driver. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Now go hard passenger. Yes, just like that. Drive it on out. Now you'll rear, okay, I go say, yeah, don't rear diff right there on the last rock. Oswald, come on, buddy, get out of the way.
Oswald.
That was fucking awesome. All right, holy shit, just short of a helicopter rescue, but we made it to the other side. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to edit it down as much as possible. I really thought he'd walk right through it. I'm glad it wasn't a Burfield that broke. 3 of the studs are already spinning, so that could be good. Lion's Den, it don't mess around.